Hey there, Jhuxtello ITech fam! Welcome back to another exciting update. Today, we're diving into the recent buzz surrounding the 2024 BECE subjects in Ghana. Stick around as we unpack the details and get to the bottom of the story. So, the Ghana Education Service, BECE, has recently dismissed reports claiming that the 2024 BECE subjects have been reduced from 9 to 5. Straight from the horse's mouth, the BECE made it clear that these rumors are nothing more than, well, rumors. But wait, where did this all start? It began with an interview featuring Mr. Prince Charles Agyemang-Duah, the director of the Schools and Instructions Division of the Ghana Education Service. In this interview, he spilled the beans about potential changes to the 2024 BECE subjects. According to Agyemang-Duah, the aim is to create a more focused and relevant learning and examination environment for pupils. He highlighted that some of the previous 9 subjects were considered excessive and, well, a bit repetitive. Now, here's where things get interesting. While the BECE debunked the reports, they didn't entirely distance themselves from Agyemang-Duah's comments. The question remains, will students be facing 9 subjects in the 2024 BECE? Or is there a possibility of subject merging? The public has spoken, and they're urging the BECE to step up its communication game. The issue has been circulating for over 2 months, but the BECE only addressed it on January 6, 2024. Let's take a look at one of the comments on the BECE Facebook page. Quoting comment, "You guys should be responsive and on top of the issue. This message has been in circulation for more than 2 months. Surprised, you are now responding to it." Strong words, indeed. And finally, the BECE set the record straight with a clear and concise message attached to an image that went viral. "This is fake. Kindly disregard any information or video in circulation, suggesting that BECE candidates will write 5 subjects this year. Thank you." Well, there you have it, folks. The 2024 BECE subject saga debunked and clarified. As always, stay tuned for more updates from Jhuxtello ITech. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest news. Until next time, keep it real.